Now I would like to call Anada Azmi from class 9. Eight.
अभी जो बोल
Eight.
Eight stand.
अब
That's
9
not
शुरू हो रहा है
hard.
ना
अब नहीं.
A very warm welcome to all the teachers, students and judges. I am here to deliver our speech on electric vehicles. First of all, we will start with introduction of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles can play a vital role combating climate change across by helping to cut down the emission and reducing dependence on fossil fuel. This article shows different types of vehicles, environmental advantage, various initiative of government and future impact of electric vehicles on employment and economy. Above we have read the introduction of electric vehicles. But do you know what it is meaning? So let us know what is meaning of electric vehicles. First, an electric vehicle is one that operates on an electric motor instead of an internal combustion engine that generates power by burning a mix of fuel and gases. Second, electric vehicles include road and rail vehicles, space and underwater vessels, electric aircraft and electric spacecraft. Third, an electric vehicle may be powered through a collector system by electricity from off-vehicle source or may be self-contained with a battery solar panel, fuel cell or an electric generator to convert fuel to electricity. We know the meaning and introduction of electric vehicles. Now, let us also know its advantages. First, environmental benefit. Electric vehicles are environmental friendly because they did not emit pollutants like traditional vehicles. Second, convenient to charge. Electric vehicles can be charged at home at public station. And last is my favorite, better performance. Electric vehicles are lighter and have faster acceleration than traditional vehicles. When something has advantages, then it is also disadvantages. So, let us know some disadvantages of electric vehicles. First, cost. Electric vehicles are generally more expensive to purchase than traditional vehicles, mainly due to the cost of batteries. Second, environment impact. The production of electric vehicles, batteries can have negative environment consequences such as habitat destruction, water pollution, greenhouse gas emission. Third, charging time. We just read advantage that can charge EV at a public station or anywhere at home. But the disadvantage is that it takes a lot of time to get charged. Now you must hear about EVs. Let me tell you that EV is a short form of electric vehicles. And most importantly, electric vehicles in Indian government scheme and initiative for promotion of electric vehicles. First, PM Drive. Launched on 1st October 2024, this scheme aims to promote the adoption of electric vehicles, develop the EV manufacturing ecosystem, and set up charging infrastructure. The scheme has a budget of 10,900 crore and will be implemented until March 31st, 2026. Second, faster adoption and manufacturing of electric vehicles in India. This scheme was implemented from April 1st, 2019 and had a budget of just 10,000 crore. Third, Niti Aayog. Do any of you know what is the full form of NITI? Means Niti Aayog. Anybody? No? No problem. I will tell you the full form of NITI. Means Niti Aayog. National. The answer is National Institution for Transforming India. Now, let us come to our topic. NITI means Niti Aayog. This organization lays out the governance structure for the EV. Don't confuse EV and electric vehicles. EV, charging ecosystem. It also defines the roles and charge point operators and e-mobility service powers. Impact of electric vehicles on employment and economy growth. First, job creation. The growth of the EV industry in India is expected to create millions of jobs, with projection of 5 million direct and 30 million indirect jobs by 2030. Second, economy growth. The widespread adoption of EVs is expected to lead to significant long-term global economic change as EVs become more common while prices and the growth of environmental friendly energy. There is some conclusion to everything. So let us know the conclusion of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles offer significant benefits in terms of reducing environmental pollution, lowering operating costs, and improving energy efficiency. They are an essential part of transitioning to a more sustainable transportation system and reducing dependence on fossil fuels. However, challenges like limited driving range, high initial cost, and the environmental impact of battery production must be addressed. As technology advances, EV infrastructure grows and economy of scale, and realize it is likely that these disadvantages will diminish, making electric vehicles an increasingly viable option for consumers. I know it is very critical topic to understand, but I request you to go back your home and do homework on EVs. And judges, I said I request you to qualify me. I hope you qualify me for second round. Thank you.